Hello you guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Isa if you don't know. If you're new, welcome, subscribe if you like. So you guys, today's video, it's going to be a very chill video. Several weeks ago, I was planning on making like a play Animal Crossing with me video, and one of you guys suggested the same exact video a couple of days ago, and I was like, perfect, so they want to see it. So that is what we're gonna do today. You are going to watch me play Animal Crossing. I'm going to do my best for the camera and everything to pick up very well the Nintendo, because since I do have the light one, I can't screen record, or at least I don't know how to screen record, but I'm going to try my best. And yeah, I'm going to show you my island and everything. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys. If you do, please subscribe down below. You can follow me on my Instagram, and now I have TikTok, so you can follow me on my TikTok if you want as well. So yeah, let's go on and get straight to today's video.
out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah, this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way
So you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe down below. Welcome to the fam. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!